Hello everybody, just got done taking down the Christmas lights and I needed a bulb over by the 81 Chevy. I've got one of these at the back corner by the outdoor sink and I very much like it. Allegedly it lasts for 13 years, 15,000 hours, just tickle under 2,000 lumens, and that's kind of the application it will be as depicted in the illustration there. Non-dimmable, I don't need dimmable in this application. Ecosmart 125 watt replacement, so that's pretty good. Of course I like the soft white variety. Little look at the data there. And that's exactly the type of socket I'm going to be screwing it into. Let's open it up and have a look at it. Let's say that's approximately 6 inches in diameter. It's a model 11UFO 125WULND03. 20 watts, 1950 lumens. It's 2700K light color, of course. And I've had, like I say, I've had that other one for a couple of years now at least. So gonna go install this one and see what it looks like. Here's what it looks like installed. I'll finish screwing it in and turn it on. Very good. We'll come back out here at night and see what it looks like. Well, let's have a look at it at night. You can see it lights up the sidewalk quite nicely. And a look from this side. Once again, this has been the Ecosmart 125 watt equivalent LED bulb in soft white. Thank you for watching.